Okay, ready? Ready? Sha. I kept you guys guessing. We kept you guys waiting. Welcome back to another episode of Modern Motors. Today we're dropping dubs. No, Crystal hates when I say that. We're dropping dubs on our Giulia. If you guys don't know what a dub is basically anything over 20 inches. Really like in the donk era, donk world. But anyways, it's technically
not in the donk era or donk world.
Technically, it's like over 20 inches. So basically, we're running dubs in our car. Yeah. I know you guys are like hoping that I did like something really crazy or really like off the wall, but I didn't. If you guys watch our last video, you guys may have seen that I'm running the dark holes on the Stelvio now. So that means, what am I meant to?
They can see it.
Okay, we're running 20 inches. To my knowledge, these should fit. Not 100% sure on that fact, but we're definitely gonna try it. But if you ever want your wheel offset, like, in here, it'll show you, it says, this is 20 by 8.5. So this is a 20 by 8.5. I believe those are 19 by 8. As any good owner should do, we're gonna clean our wheels. There you go. See it a lot better. Alfa Romeo. $20 by 8.5. And down here you can see I'm made in Italy. If you guys are wondering, because I get the question, I run 255, 55, 19 on the rear, and on the front I currently run 255, 40, 19, and they're Michelins with a 25mm spacer all the way around the car. This is what I believe we're running in the rear: 285, 25, 20. Back tire, front tire is a 255, 30, 20 is what we're running in the front. I don't know if these would actually classify, but I'm gonna call them dubs from the rest of this video. Because I'm rolling on dubs.
It's hot. And that's why I love my Stelvio.
When's the last time I pumped gas in this thing? Huh? Yeah, we don't ever drive it. I like putting $100 in gas. Nice. Just to go down the street. Cool. Yeah. We're not the best YouTubers out there, but we're trying. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get our cinematics down. Look at Crystal. Steady hands, steady hands, steady hands. Don't laugh, you're gonna ruin the shot. I'm just saying, really, if they look dumb, tell me. If they don't look dumb, tell me that too.
Supposed to be friends.
Yeah, I don't need everybody lie to me and be like, oh, and then I have these like big, chunky, dirty wheels in my car. And they're like, if he's happy, if he's happy, we're happy. No, I'm not happy if you're not happy. If I look dumb, tell me, please, I look dumb. But I mean, these wheels, like that fitment is perfect with those spacers. Yeah, you can't tell me that's not a perfect fitment. It just needed to be dropped a little bit. All right, 20-minute drive to the wheel shop for realty. I follow you. I swear to you, my wife acts like there is more than 24 hours in the day. She is the most unbothered woman. Takes her sweet time everywhere she goes. I'm supposed to be at the shop. I want to be there by 5. It's now 6 o'clock and we're not there. It's still like 20 minutes away. Traffic. One hand, baby. I'm not really good at keeping secrets. I have an announcement that I really want to make, but what I ordered is still shipping. It's not gonna be a long time before it gets here. But I really want to tell you guys. It's like, if you already saw the threads, you guys saw it slip out a little bit. But I'm trying not to ruin the whole surprise. But I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet. I'll wait a little bit, maybe like a month from now. But you guys are gonna be pretty happy. For those of you who keep asking about the hybrid turbo, so to my understanding, JTD was supposed to be coming out with like a second phase. That was supposed to get us into the 400s, and Squadron was working on a tune with them. I don't know where the update's at on that yet. I've been waiting patiently. Hopefully there's more information soon. If I don't get an update on the hybrid turbo by the time that thing comes for the channel, I will upgrade the hybrid turbo to whatever's out on the market like 90 days from now. So give me 90 days and I will have the hybrid turbo on this car, roughly. I already spent a lot of money on whatever this thing is, so it has to kind of go through stages. So in a turn of events, we had to leave the Alfa here overnight because they didn't have time that day, so it's actually the next day. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to remove a spacer. There's no shot. Look at that. If I... Oh, those things are meaty, dog. Yeah, I'm gonna have to... A monster truck.
Damn.
Yeah, these things are meaty-ish.
Oh, those things are good.
All right, first plan is we get home, taking off the spacers immediately. Look at that. I mean, look at the back tire. There's no shot. Look at that. Look at the back tire.
Oh my God, those things are beautiful.
Yeah, that's a big wheel. Okay, as you guys can clearly see, the car's back. Actually, what happened is they took off the spacers. So now, if you guys can clearly see, it is way more flush.
Yeah, I think it looks really good.
Way better. Could it still use a spacer? Like, we had better fitment on the other wheels, but just know that this is no spacer included. No, you're gonna ask, no, you can't have my spacers. No, they're not for sale. Before you guys, we actually have our back wheels for sale already. One of you guys already picked them up, so shout out to you.
Yeah, not for sale, they already bought.
They already bought, so. I was gonna post this video and be like, oh, they're for sale? They're not for sale, I lied to you. But these little fatties are gonna come over here. Oh. So no, you can't have them.
Buy your own.
Buy your own. And I know what your next question is, Ricky, where did you buy your spacer from? Go do your own research. I'm tired of doing research for you guys.
These are sold.
These are, again, sold. If you ask me if they're for sale, I'm just about gonna lose my mind.
I'm gonna block you. I'm just kidding.
No, actually, no, that's fair. We'll block you.
Oh, Jesus.
No, that's fair. We're actually gonna block you.
We're actually gonna delete the whole channel so no one can comment. Ooh, side by side?
Side by side.
Oh, yeah.
What are you noticing?
I don't think you can tell on camera, though.
What are you noticing? What can you guys tell? Basically, one is more wheel, one is less wheel. One is more tire, one is less tire. Guys, get it? They, yes, will be, somebody made a comment to me while I was talking to them, I'm not going to mention any names, but somebody said, they're not the same, look at this. Yes, they're not going to be same, look at this, because this is 19 inch and this is a 20 inch. They're not supposed to look the same. If they look the same, that'd be a very, very, very thin piece of metal that thing's running on. So yes, they're going to look different. Do you like them is the question. Personally, for me, like you can tell the Y is a lot bigger than this Y.
Which one, this one?
Yeah, this is a small Y.
Oh, yeah.
Small Y.
Small Y, big Y.
This is big Y.
Science.
Here's my argument on why I like the bigger Y. Because somebody's gonna say, no, Alfa made it 19 inch for a reason. This is dope. This to me looks more like a BBS wheel.
Yeah.
And me, personally, I love BBS wheels. So this is a better look, in my opinion, to this. This more BBS, this no BBS. Makes sense? There are BBSs that kind of look like that. But I love this spoke a lot more. Yeah. What I would love even more is to have them polished. That's the route I may think I'm going to be taking on this one. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking. But a polished look I think would look really solid here. What do you think?
Yeah.
Right?
I'm game.
Polished?
Yeah.
Polish them? That's how they'll look polished. Anyways, we are going to go to all Alfa car meet. Well, not all Alphas. There's other cars there. But we are going mainly Alfa car meet. And if you're in the DFW area and you feel like I didn't invite you, well, that's your fault because you're not following Moto's Instagram. And I told everybody what we're
we did invite you.
We invited you. You just didn't pay attention. Yeah. That's your fault.
Not ours.
is where we're gonna end today's video. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think they are considered dubs or not considered dubs. I'm gonna go with they're considered dubs. But anyways, there are two groups you guys should be following on Facebook. There's my personal group, which is the Modded Alfa Romeos. Then there's a 2.0 Alfa Romeo group. Both of them should be listed on the screen. If you're not following one of those, go follow one of those. Our DMs are trying to get a little bit more flooded and it's harder to respond back to everybody. So if you need some support, go try one of those groups first. It may be a little bit more beneficial than I can be. But nonetheless, appreciate you guys watching another one of our videos. We'll be back early this week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm about to close out my DMs to questions because you guys are getting a little excessive now. When I said I could help all of you, I didn't really mean all of you.
Help, but
we can help a lot of you, but
Google is free, guys.
Hey, what color is your car? I don't know, Doug. We have a whole fucking title about it. What kind of wheels do you have? I don't know, dude. We have a whole video about it. How do you put Sparko seats in?
Wait, what? I didn't.
What tune are you guys currently running? Well, I don't know. You're gonna say you're a fan of the channel, but then ask the most basic questions about the car.
Yeah.
Very frustrating.
Unless they just want to talk to you.
Yeah, if you guys want to just talk, I'd rather you just say, hey, just want to talk to you. Be like, hey, what's up, dude?
Yeah.